Oi people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. You might be wondering why I'm outside in the dark. So basically, we're gonna cook some curried beef today. Yeah man, curried beef. You get me? I tried it here in Jamaica the other day and it was 10-10. I said, you know what? I've got to try and do that myself. So basically, the room that I'm staying in, there's music playing. You get me? And we don't want no copyright. There's music going on all around there. I'm on like a main strip in Ocho Rios. So I thought I'll start it out here, you get me? And I'll just narrate the rest of the episode, you see me? So you don't know, say, we got our beef. You understand? We got our beef, fresh Jamaican beef. You get me? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna season that up, but I'll show you that in a minute. You don't know, we got all our bits there. We got our scallion, our thyme, our onion, our Irish potato, and our Scotch bonnet. Yes! You know what I'm saying, people? So you send the ingredients, you see what we're doing. We're doing curried beef. So basically, I'm gonna narrate the rest of the episode until it's taste time, and then I'll be back outside again, taste time. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself, it's Cook and Vibe, Woyoy.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Woyoy.
Who's McGrill's jerkyard? I got your yard. So yeah, this is the place that I was staying, where I'm staying now, and you know, just little mistakes along the way. Just like thinking about like if I'm in a touristy place, then I'm not gonna be able to cook properly. I'm only booked here for a couple of days anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and make the most of being here and try and get some sort of footage done. You get me? So we're gonna go into the kitchen, show you the kitchen, inside the apartments. You get me? The sea's right over there. Our good vibes. We have everything in the bag. Woyoy. Let's get cooking. Yeah. And nice little vibes just inside, like, you know what I'm saying? These are the apartment doors. You get me? So yeah, man, a good vibe to Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? We're there, man. I'll cook up some curried beef. You get me? First time, but I had it for the first time the other day and it was 10-10.
Yeah, curried beef. I tell her I had it the other day, it was 10-10. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. You get me? Yeah, so I go and cut up the beef, and if you can see the beef, it kind of comes with the bones and that. Like I think it's brisket. I'm not too sure, but I think the bones give it the flavour. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I go and cut them up nice and small. You know how the thing go, Cook and Vibe. Voice over and them thing there. Yeah, man, we got some seasonings. Some all-purpose seasoning. I think that's all-purpose seasoning. Chicken seasoning, one of the two. One of them's all-purpose and one of them's chicken seasoning. Do you know what I'm saying? Also, we got some black pepper. You get me? Yeah. And that is the curry powder that we're using. Yeah. Woyoy. People. we're gonna fry off the beef first. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm sorry you can't hear that sizzle there. I'm sorry you can't hear the sizzle there, but yet a good look. You get me? Yeah, man. Get all that beef inside there. You understand? Yeah. See how things in there. Why? Yeah, man. This is the kitchen. As you can see. Yeah. Some fruits and them thing there from earlier. Yeah, man. So I add some onion in there already. You get me? Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. You get me? Yeah, man. Just fry it up for 5-10 minutes. You get me? Just get them seasonings soaked into it. You get me? Now I'm gonna add some thyme, scallion, Scotch bonnet. Look at that lovely Scotch bonnet, fresh Jamaican, straight in. Yeah. Time to flavour up the pot now, you see me? Alright. Give it a little stir and everything there. You see me? Cook and fry thing, man. Why? Oh, lost a bit of time there. Why? Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, people, and press the like button, you know what I'm saying? Oi, people. Yes, I got some fried dumplings. Yeah, I couldn't bother to cook, so I went and bought them.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
No, I've never seen this before. Pineapple melon. Yeah, I see this in the supermarket and I've never seen this before. Yeah, man. Pineapple melon. You see it there? That's the outside. That's the inside. You see me? Just looks like a kind of watermelon, but yellow. Yeah. It's actually really nice. It tastes like a watermelon, but like a bit different. Like pineapple-y watermelon, but like, you know, like it's got the same texture as a watermelon. Do you know what I mean? But it's got like a pineapple-y different sort of taste.
Alright, people, I'm just going to talk really loud so we can't hear the music in the background, but it is ready. Look, you see it there? Oi. It is the curried beef. Yeah, like I say, I had this the other day and it really does resemble curry goat. So we're going to see if I done it as well as I had it the other day. You get me? Yeah, man, curried beef. See it there, people? We're going to play it up with the fried dumpling now that I got earlier. Oi. Guys, we are on the run up to 50k. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why? Why, people, we're about to come outside to do the taste test. Do you know what I mean? So let's go. Curried beef. Honestly, it actually really tastes like curry goat. Actually tastes like curry goat. Why? For some mad reason, people, I don't know what happened to the end of that episode. I just didn't finish it. I don't know, must have been so tired. I just didn't realise. But anyway, curried beef, it was really, really nice. Just the curry goes really well with the beef. Again, really, really resembles curry goat. You get me? So definitely a good one to try. I never really thought of curry and beef before until I went into this restaurant, tried it. I was like, wow, you get me? So yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed it. Big up section, and I'll see you next week. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi. Yes, people, it's the big up section. Yeah, boy, so you like the new intro? Yeah, man. Man's got new intro for the big up section and soon to have new intro as well. You get me? Big up directed by Dave for the intro section there, the big up intro section. So yeah, man. Sorry about the sound and all that thing in that one there, people. Bit of a madness. Obviously, I booked to stay at that place for a few days. Didn't realise how tourist it was. As soon as I got there, I thought, here we go. You know what I mean? But we made it work, and that's the main thing. You get me? So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Big up Chef Andre Davy. I hope I've got that right. Let me just check I've got that right. Yes, Chef Andre Davy. Big up yourself, my bro. Thank you for the support. He says, yes, Papa, hot soup. And that was regarding the Bulby Soup episode. You get me? Also, big up Auntie Kim. Also, always see her in the live. You get me? So big up yourself, Auntie Kim. Manners and respect. You get me? Yes, people. There's new music out. You get me? There's music video out called Live Life.
Brand new desert on foot. I will put me down in the history books. Yeah. Run at them out on socials. In a real life, them man they shook. Cause I came out of you know bad, you an idiot. Man convince themself and believe that. Who run a grung, yo a weed that. Yo a weed that. Mad.
On the Up and Coming Productions channel. So Live Life, go and check that out. Also, you've got the music video Firm out there.
YGP one gang. That's why I'm gonna put my trust in a man, you know. You think God wrong?
You know what I'm saying? If you ain't seen the whole Cook on Vibe anthem yet, the whole video, you need to go check that out. It's on the main page. Also, you can become a member to the channel now, people. You get me? If you go onto the main page, right next to the subscribe button, there's a button that says join. If you join that, you can become a member, and there's 3 different stages and 3 different prices, you know. You know what I'm saying? So just check it out, have a look, see what you feel comfortable with, and I really appreciate it. We've got a few members already, and I'm going to start doing some members only lives. I'm going to start doing some members only episodes as well. You get me? But everything will always stay the same for my always supporters, because I love you lot and I'll never let you down. And even if you don't become a member, I love you anyway. You see me? Yeah, I really think, man. Enough love and respect, people, every time. You see me? Yeah, man. I'll see you next time.